In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Squarespace to Freshsales using Zapier. This setup helps you automatically send website leads or customer activity into your CRM without any manual work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zapier. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you're new. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Zap to begin. First, set up the trigger. Choose Squarespace as the trigger app. Then, select a trigger event such as new form submission or new transaction depending on what type of data you want to send to Freshsales. After selecting the trigger, connect your Squarespace account by following the on-screen authorization steps. Next, move to the action step. Select Freshsales as the action app. Choose an action like Create Lead or Create Contact, which allows Squarespace submissions or customers to be added directly into your CRM. Connect your Freshsales account and continue. Now, it's time to map the data. Match important fields like name, email, phone number, and any other details from Squarespace to the corresponding fields in Freshsales. Take a moment to review everything so the information flows correctly. Once the mapping is complete, run a test to make sure the Zap works properly. If the test is successful, turn the Zap on. That's it. You've successfully connected Squarespace to Freshsales and your leads will now sync automatically. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick automation tutorials.